Understood, Shavya? Understood? Okay? Yeah. So, first emotion for you, excited. Come on. Excited. How you will, yeah, excited. You're excited. Come on. Shaurya. Yes? Oh, Shaurya. Very good, Shaurya's mother. Very good, very good, very good. Sanskriti's mother. Lovely, lovely. Okay. Now, second is bored. I'm bored. Bored. What to do? I'm bored. Aradhya, I'm bored, my dear. Sanskriti, I can see you are excited. You are not bored. Yeah. Okay, okay, okay. Next, shy. Shy. Come on, shy. Show me, Reva. I know you are not shy, but you have to show me now. You are shy. You have to pretend. Yes. Okay, next. Come on, next, Shaurya. Shaurya, very good, very good. Next. Confused. Confused. Oh, I'm confused. What to do? Yes, I'm confused. Okay, next. Surprised. Lovely faces. Very good, very good. Oh, Shaurya's mama is enjoying. Very good, very good. Next, after surprise, take next. Nervous. I'm little bit nervous, Sanskriti. Oh, Sanskriti don't want to be nervous, है ना? Okay, angry. Angry. Oh, Sanskriti is laughing. Yeah. Yes, very good, very good. Aradhya. Oh, silly. Silly. Okay, next. Scared. Scared. Come on, Aradhya. Scared. It's okay, Sanskriti's mama. Let her sit. Let her play. Okay. Next. Sad. Ooh. Happy. Happy. Now happy. Everybody is happy. And everybody likes to be happy. Yes. Very good. Well done. Well done. Okay, now game is over. All are winner in my view. Okay, all are winners. Okay, all they tried their best. Okay, very good. Big clap for yourself. Come on. Very good. Good. Very good. Great. Now we will start to our story. Okay, who do you like? Tell me, do you like listen story always daily? Do you like? कुणाला
Yes.
आवडते? कुणाला आवडते? नेहमी स्टोरी ऐकायला कुणाला आवडते? रोज
Yes.
ना आजी बाबा जर असतील तर बाबा मला स्टोरी सांगा, आजी मला स्टोरी सांगा. त्याच्याशिवाय मला झोप नाही येत.
मॅम माझ्या बाबांना मला ना रोज रात्री स्टोरीज सांगत असते.
Very good, very nice, very nice. This increase your imagination. है ना? This increase your imagination. Okay. Now I am going to tell you today a story. A story of a crow. A story of a crow. A story of a thirsty crow. Story of a thirsty crow, Sanskriti. Ooh. Now, who can tell me what does this crow make sound? What does crow make sound? Who will tell me what does? Yes?
Cow, cow,
Cow,
cow,
cow. Very good, very good. Sansruti. My dear.
cow.
Yeah, I would like to ask Sansruti. Sansruti, my dear Sansruti, does the crow make a sound? Meow, meow, meow. Yeah, Sansruti?
No.
Sansruti? हाँ?
No.
Crow कसा sound करतो राजा? कसा
कसं
करतो?
करतो?
Quack, 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 quack. Oh, cow, very good. How does the crow make sound, Shaurya? Cow, 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 cow. Yes? Oh, what is the... Very good. Okay, what is the color of the crow? What is the color of the crow, Aradhya?
Black.
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 Very
Black.
good. Very good, Ishwar.
Black.
Very
Black.
good. The color of the crow is black. Very good. Now we
Black
can...
and gray. Gray.
Gray also? Gray also? Okay.
Gray.
Black and gray. Okay, very good. Now we will start to our story. Are you are you ready to listen a story? Yes? Yes?
Yes.
Oh,
Yes.
yeah. So before to start a story, what did yesterday, Poonam ma'am? Poonam ma'am, what did yesterday?
The ugly duckling. Ugly
Oh,
duckling.
okay. And Poonam ma'am ने क्या बताया था? Pull your ears.
Draw.
क्या बताया था? What she said?
Pull your ear.
Pull your ears and ask your ear. Are you ready to listen a story? Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes. Ask your ear. Are you ready to listen a story? Yes. Everybody
Yes.
ask your ear. Yeah, Reva's ears are ready to listen a story. Very good. Very good. Now we can start with our story. See, once there was a crow in a village, and the crow was very thirsty. The crow was very thirsty. He flew here and there. He flew here and there in search of water. In search of water. He flew here, he flew there in search of water. But he couldn't find anywhere. He couldn't find water anywhere. He flew here, he flew there. Oh, water, water, water. Where I can find water? He started to search water, but he couldn't find. Water, water, water. I need some water. Oh, what can I do? He started to search again. Water, water, water. Whoa. And there was a pot. He found a pot. Oh, he found a pot. A little water in it. Shaurya, there was water in a pot, but how it was? It was little. Aradhya, कसं होतं राजा? कसं होतं राजा? Yes? थोडंसंच होतं. आणि कुठे बॉटमला होतं. कुठे होतं राजा? संस्कृती कुठे होतं पाणी? Bottomला. Okay? The bottom. So he tried to drink water. He tried to insert his beak in the pot, but he couldn't drink water. Now he started to think, oh, what to do? What to do? What can I do? I'm very thirsty. I need a water. So he got an idea. Oh, I can do one thing. He got an idea. He found some pebbles around the pot. So he started to pick up one pebble and started to put in the pot. 1, 2, 3 pebbles, 4 pebbles, 5 pebbles. What is happening, Aradhya? काय होतंय?
पाणी वरती येऊ राहिलं.
Ah, very good. 4 pebbles, 5 pebbles, 6 pebbles, 7 pebbles, 8 pebbles. Oh, water came up. Water came up. Now, crow drank water and flew away happily. Oh, how was the story? How was the story? Do you like story? Do you like story? Yes, Sanskriti, do you like story?
Yeah.
Gaurya. Oh, now,
I like.
thank you, my dear. Okay, Shaurya, tell me what did we learn from the story? Who can tell me? What did we learn? Yes? Yes? Yes, come on. आराध्या हा आपण काय शिकलो स्टोरी मध्ये हा yes my dear Shaurya
Use your brain.
use your
Use
brain.
your brain.
Yeah, use your brain. Very good. Anybody else? Anybody else?
Use your brain.
Use your brain. Okay, my dear Ishwar, when there is a will, there is a way. There is a will, there is a way. है ना? संस्कृती आराध्या तुम्हाला जर भूक लागलेली असेल किंवा जर तुम्हाला जर तहान लागलेली असेल तर ओढून काही फायदा आहे का? मम्मा 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 yes नाही ना है ना now you are thirsty na you can go to the you can go to the pot you can go to the filter you can take water you can drink it yes or no yes Reva hai na if there is a will there is a way yes Aradhya if you want to study you can do if there is a will there is a way yes okay now shortly we will revise the story okay shortly we will revise the story now I want answers from you okay ready everybody yes okay everybody I want answer from you okay once there was a
Oh.
crow
Yeah.
very good
Thirsty crow.
Thirsty crow just wait my dear
Thirsty crow.
okay there was a thirsty crow very good he was once there was a crow he was very thirsty he was very thirsty yes okay he saw a very good he saw a water pot very good with very little water in it yeah very good with very little water in it yes the crow put what he put the crow put
Pebble.
Pebbles. Very
Pebbles.
good.
Paper.
The water.
Paper.
The water came.
Up.
Very good. The water
Came
came
up.
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 Okay, and the water and the crow drank
Drink water.
and flew away and flew away.
Happily.
Very good, and flew away happily. Very good. And what is the moral of the story? I told you what is the moral. What is the moral? See, I wrote here. See, what is the moral? When there is a will, there is a way. Yes, when there is a will. Yeah, now repeat after me, each one. Okay, first of all, I would like to ask you to Reva. Reva, come on. Repeat after me. When, come on. When there is a will,
There is a view.
there is a way.
There is a way.
Very good. Aradhya, come on. Repeat after me. When there is a will,
Where is a view?
there is a way.
There is a way.
Very good. Now, Shaurya, unmute yourself, Shaurya. Yeah.
Yes.
Now you can read, my
What?
dear. No. See, when
And
there is a will,
there is a will.
there is a way.
There is a way.
Ishwar, unmute yourself, Ishwar.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, my dear Ishwar. Repeat after me. When there is a will,
Where there is a will.
when there is a will,
When there is a will.
there is a way.
There is a way.
Very good. Shaurya, come on. Unmute yourself, Shaurya. Come on. Shaurya, come on. Yes. Yes, Shaurya. When there is a way, there is a will. When there is a will, repeat. Huh? Shaurya, come on. You have to repeat. There is a will, there is a way. Very good. Okay, now everybody repeat after me. Come on. When there is a will,
When there is a will. Where there is a will.
there is a way.
When there is a way.
Very good.
There is a
See?
way.
Yeah, see my dear student, जर आपली इच्छा असेल ना, ओके नाही, आपली जर इच्छा असेल ना, तर आपल्याला मार्ग नक्की सापडतो. अंडरस्टूड? आपल्याला मार्ग नक्की सापडतो. ओके, नाउ who can repeat the story? Tell me.
एक होता
Same
है
story.
कावड़ा होता है.
Okay.
ऐसा नकली होती है.
Okay. हाँ.
थोडं तिने बहुत वेगळा होता. पण ते त्याला त्याची नाही जात पण ते जगलं ताकडे आणि वर आलं आणि तिथे पाणी पिला आणि उडून गेला.
How is it? Big clap for Aradhya. Big clap for Aradhya. Very good. Now Shaurya, come on, Shaurya. Unmute yourself, Shaurya. Come on.
आणि आधी बसून येत होती.
Come on. Ha. Yes, Shaurya. Shaurya, just wait, huh? Shaurya Dhumal, can you?
Yes, ma'am.
Now repeat the story. Come on.
One upon a time,
Huh?
30 crow
Huh?
find the water.
Find the water. Directly he find the water?
No.
Yes, yes, come on, try to say. Yeah. He was very thirsty, Shaurya. He was very thirsty. है ना?
He was very thirsty.
Okay.
He find the water
Okay, he found the water, my dear. He found the
here
water.
and there. Here and there.
Okay,
He
okay.
not find the water.
Okay. He couldn't find the water. Yeah. Okay, my dear Shaurya, try to say. Come on, fast. Yeah, think. And Aradhya, you have to try to tell in English, my dear. Huh? You told me in Marathi very nicely. Very nicely.
He couldn't find the water here and there. Here and there.
Okay.
Uh,
Okay.
Finally, it find the water.
He found the water. Okay. Huh?
He found the water.
Okay. Huh?
One pot.
Hmm. Okay. There was one pot and
Little bit.
very good. Little water in it. Yes. Well trying,
Little
my dear.
water in it.
Very good. Yeah.
Less water there in pot.
Okay. Yes. Well
It
trying, my
is
dear.
a idea.
Oh, he got an idea. Very good. He got an idea. You have to try to frame the
Grow
sentences. Yeah.
and idea.
Okay.
One stone.
Okay.
One paper.
Okay. Two pebble. Yes. Yeah.
Put in pot.
Okay.
One table.
Hmm.
One paper. Put in pot. Two paper. Put in pot.
Okay.
Three paper. Put in pot. Four paper. Put in pot. And water came up.
Okay. Very good. Water came up. Very good.
And crow drink water.
Drank water and
It
yes.
fly happily.
Oh, he fly away happily. Very good. Now, big clap for Shaurya. Very good. He's trying very well. Okay. He always trying is on his best. Yes, Shaurya. Very good. Now, Reva. Reva, unmute yourself. Yeah. Can you repeat? Yes. Reva, come on. You can. Huh?
One crow is thirsty.
Okay.
Yeah, the water search करतो.
बर, okay. Huh?
दिसतं की फुल वॉटर दिसतं आणि मग तो सोचतो की वॉटर मध्ये आपल्याला काय टाकायचे.
अच्छा. बर. Okay.
मोबाईल दगड टाकतो आणि
Okay.
मग पाणी पितो. पाणी वर येतं. मग तो पितो. उठतो.
How sweet. Very good. Very good. Very nice. Very nice. Next time you have to try in English, my dear. Huh? Okay. Yes. Now Shaurya Morgaonkar. Come on, Shaurya. Ishwar. Come on, Ishwar. Unmute yourself, Ishwar. Who will tell me
Ishwar.
first? Ishwar will tell me first or Shaurya? Okay, Shaurya wants to say. Just wait, my dear Ishwara. Yes, Shaurya, come on. Come on.
एक कौवा पैसा था
हाँ एक कौवा पैसा था. ओके पैसा था.
टॉप
हाँ
स्टोरी काय कळाली ते सांग बाकी नको सांगू.
yes my dear Shaurya. What you
एक
understood?
कौवा असतो एक कौवा प्यासा असतो
ओके पैसा असतो. मग
त्याला तहान लागली असती
हा ओके तहान लागलेली असते. मग
तो इकडे लेफ्ट राईट बघत होतो.
हा बरं म्हणजे तो इकडे तिकडे असा लेफ्ट राईट बघत होता. बरोबर. हा मग
मग त्याला एक छोटस पॉट भेटलं.
अच्छा त्याला पॉट भेटलं थोडस छोटस आहे ना. बरोबर. हा मग
त्याच्यात थोडस पाणी होतं.
थोडसच पाणी होतं है ना. थोडसच. हाऊ ही इज डुइंग. लुक ॲट हिम. थोडसच पाणी होतं. हो बरोबर. मग पुढे
मग कावळा तिथं आला.
कावळा तिथे आला. बर मग काय झालं.
मग त्याला एक आयडिया आली.
हो ही गॉट एन आयडिया. ओके त्याला आयडिया आली. ओके नंतर काय झालं.
छोटे छोटे दगड घेऊन पाण्यात टाकले.
ओके छोटे छोटे दगड त्याने घेतले आणि त्याने पाण्यात टाकले. येस ओके मग
आणि मग पॉट वर आलं.
पॉट वर आलं की
पाणी वर आलं.
या पाणी वरती आलं. व्हेरी गुड. या वॉटर केम अप है ना. व्हेरी गुड. नेक्स्ट व्हॉट हॅपन.
वॉटर पिलं आणि हॅपी झाला.
ओ वॉटर पेला आणि हॅपी झाला. व्हॉट वी विल से शौर्य. He drank water and flew away happily. What we will say? He drank water and flew away happily. Okay? Big clap for Shaurya. Well tried. Okay, now Ishwar, come on. It's your turn.
Hello ma'am.
Yes, hello.
मैं ना बुक में पढ़ के बताऊं क्या?
नहीं पढ़ के नहीं बताना है अभी. It's not reading class. Yes, it's storytelling class. है ना. जसं येतं ना राजा तसं सांगायचंय. ओके या कम ऑन.
One day a crow was very thirsty. He looked for water
he my dear
here and there.
अड आलं नाही पाहिजे तिथे. Looked only. Looked. He looked. Yeah. Yes.
Look here and there.
Okay. He looked here and there.
But he could not find it.
Okay. He could not find the water anywhere. Okay.
He thought a plan.
Okay. Yes. He got an idea. What was idea?
A pot. A pot.
Okay. Yes, my dear. What he did?
Very little water.
Okay, there was very little water in the pot, है ना? Then, come on, my dear.
He saw idea.
He got an idea. He got an idea, my dear. Crow got an idea, है ना? Crow got an idea.
What the idea?
An idea, my dear. Okay. What was the idea?
some stone
Huh?
in a pot.
Okay.
The water come up and
Huh?
into the top.
Okay. On top. Okay. Yes, Maria.
He drank the water and
He drank the water. Yes. And
fly away.
flew away, my
Fly
dear.
away.
Flew away happily.
Flew
Okay.
away.
It is in past tense, na?
Flew
He
away.
flew away happily. Okay. Very good, Ishwar. Well done. Okay, now the task for you. See, my dear Reva, Aradhya, Shaurya, Ishwar. Yes, Sanskruti slept, I think. Okay. See, my dear students, you tried very